Hey guys, we're talking about writing expressions and equations today, and I just want to remind you the difference between an expression and an equation. An expression is just a math problem, like 5 plus 6 or 7 times n. An equation is a math problem that has an equal sign in it, like 7n equals 49. So be sure to read the directions and see if you're writing an expression, no equal sign, or an equation with an equal sign. Okay, we're on page 41 in the textbook, number 3. It says 18 seconds faster than Tina's time. Now before I do this problem, I'm going to read the directions and see what it's asking me to do. It says write each verbal phrase as an algebraic expression, so no equal sign. 18 seconds faster than Tina's time. I'm going to use T to represent Tina's time. And if it's 18 seconds faster, that would mean I'm adding 18 seconds to Tina's time. And that's it. Let's look at number 4. The difference between 7 and a number. Now I know the word difference means subtract. If I have difference, I'm doing subtraction. The difference between 7 and a number looks like that. When I'm done writing these algebraic expressions, I go back and look at them and read them out loud and see if they match the sentence. So let's try that with number 3. It says 18 more than T. And that's what my sentence said, 18 seconds faster than Tina's time. And then number 4, I have 7 minus n, or the difference of 7 and n, which is exactly what my sentence says. Okay, number 5 says the quotient of a number and 9. I have to know what the word quotient means before I can write this as an expression. Quotient, anytime you see quotient, it's the answer to a division problem. It means division. So this problem is going to be divided. Now when I write a division sentence, it says the quotient of a number and 9. So that would be a number and 9, like that. But when we're using algebra, it's better to use a fraction for the division sign. Remember, fraction means divide. So to write this problem the best way that you can, you're going to write it n over 9 with a fraction. The next problem, number 6, has a new set of directions. It says write each verbal sentence as an algebraic equation. Okay, so equation means I need an equal sign. It says the sum of 6 and a number is 2. Now here is your big hint of the day. Whenever you see the word is, that means equal. Is means equal. So I'm going to put my equal sign there to remind us. Okay, so if it says the sum of 6 and a number, what does sum mean? Sum means to add. So the sum of 6 and a number, and I'll just use n for that number because I don't know what it is, remember is means equals, 2. So my problem says the sum of 6 and a number equals 2. I'm good. Okay, this is our last example, and remember we're still writing an equation this time. So I'm going to read this sentence. It's a little bit long, but we can do it. It says when the people, okay, so I already see people, so I think I'll use a P for people, are separated into 5 committees. There are 3 on each committee. So when they are separated into 5, that makes me think of groups of 5. Okay, so anytime I have groups, I have what operation? I have division. So when the people are separated into 5 groups or committees, there are 3 on each committee. And that's it. So let me write that again as a fraction this time. So when the people are separated into 5 committees, there are 3 on each committee. And that's it. All right, so either one of these would be acceptable, but as you get further into algebra, which you're working on doing, you're going to want to use fractions for that division sign, okay? All right, I hope you took notes, and please email me if you have any questions, and feel free to watch the video again.